Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Bougie 5-volt electric shaver charger. It's a power supply which is compatible with our Philips Norelco one-blade shaver. Of course, you have to look which one-blade shaver you get at home, because on the market there are the QP2530, a QP2630, which are compatible with the 8-volt system. It's also on the market the QP2520 and the QP6510. So you have to look which device is yours, okay? You have to look what we are going to need for this power supply. In this case here, it's a 5-volt version of it. It's compatible with the Philips Norelco one-blade shaver. That means we have here a one-blade power cable. It's a replacement for our device. The input is from 100 to 240 volt. That means it's an European standard. AC, 50 up to 60 Hz. Output is 5 volt. So you can replace your standard reloader in standing the compartment device that you have, because the Philips itself comes only with a plug-in cable. Comes not with an HAP. Here you have an HAP. It does not apply to the Norelco one-blade QP2530, QP2630, and so on. So you have to look which one is yours. We have a high-quality replacement power supply. This has a much longer service life than the original power supply, maybe. And the charger speed is much faster than the original power supply too. And it makes a good job, because you can have a stand-up position with your shaver. This Philips Norelco one-blade power supply get us the possibility to get our device, our shaver, upward position on a charging dock. The input is the European standard. The output is 5 volt, because 5 volt is the standard USB voltage. So you can use it as a power supply with AC adapter, which is included, or you're going to use the computer, a power pack, or the power bank. So you're free with the choice of your power supply for your shaver. Bougie bring us joy. It faced with too many choices. It is so often impossible to be accurate, and they want to break through the routine and the best and real and on the market. The advantage of Bougie is all of that products undergo up to 4 hours being tested before shipping to ensure safe and reliable operations for years for us. And I think you see in that video the Philips one-blade matches really good to it. But first you have to look that your one-blade is possible. If it is possible, you can buy this product and it will be compatible. And it brings you so much joy because you have an upright position for your one-blade at your toilet area, your washing room, your where you like to shave yourselves. And then you have all in the box what you need. You have an AC adapter included, you have a long cable included, which get the energy out of the power socket to your one blade. And this is really cool, and this is an upgraded version of it. This is the Bougie 5-volt electric shaver charge power supply. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's all.